What's going on, guys? My name is AJ, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install iOS 14 public beta. Well, today Apple have just released the public beta surprisingly, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install it on an iPhone. It's the exact same process for the iPad, so let's just get into it. So now we're on the iPhone, we're going to go into Safari and you're going to type in Apple beta. And then once you do that, you're going to click Apple Beta Software Program. And then you're going to scroll all the way down till it says Get Started. Or it might say Login. I'm already logged in, I believe, so just click Get Started. It'll tell you to sign in. And once you've signed in, you'll come to this page. In this video I'm going to be doing iOS, but the iPadOS is the exact same way you can do it. So this is for iPadOS if you want to do that, but I'm going to be doing iOS in this video. So let's click iOS, and then you're going to scroll all the way down till it says enroll your iOS device. So you're going to click that. And here is Apple just telling you to make sure you archive a backup, because sometimes the betas can go wrong and they can make you lose some files. So make sure you make a backup, whether on a Windows or a Mac. And then once you go down, you're just going to keep going down until it says download profile. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click allow, and then you click close. Now let's go into the settings. Now you want to click general. Let's scroll all the way down till it says profiles, then click the first one, then click install. Put your password in, click install, and then restart your device. This will just restart your device really quickly, so I'll come right back once that's done. Now that my phone has restarted, you're going to go back into settings, go to general, go to software update. It should say iOS 14 beta 2. Then what you want to do is you want to click download install, input your password, here as you guys can see it will say your estimated time remaining, and the update has been requested. So now I'm just going to let the update happen, and I'll come back to you guys when it has finished. Now that iOS 14 has installed, I'm going to unlock my phone. Now if we go into settings, go into general, go into software update. As you guys can see, we're on iOS 14, and if you see, we have the new feedback, which you must use if you want to report any glitches that you may see. So yeah, that is how you get iOS 14 on an iPhone. The exact same process for the iPad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a nice thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.